Hi guys, so your tyre stickers have arrived from Sticker Licker and you're desperate to get them on. Here's how. We're going to take a pair of scissors and trim round the arc of the design. Quite close to the sticker, but obviously not cutting through the design. This is the type of sticker that has carrier tape, so we need to remove the backing, stick the carrier tape and the vinyl to the tyre. So I'm going to remove the backing. I'm doing this the lazy way because I want to take my lunchbox out for a bash. So I'm just going to line it up by eye, bearing in mind the arc of the design matches the arc of the tyre. So it's not going to be far out. Doing it this way. If you want, you can measure it, but for me there's no need. So I think that looks fine. So where we are, we need to put some pressure on it, so we really need to squeeze the tyre. Now I haven't cleaned the tyres, they're brand new ones, so they've got mould release agents and all sorts of chemicals on them, haven't been cleaned off. You might be putting them on tyres that have been used. Might be an idea to wash those, but I don't want to compromise the colour of the new tyre, so I don't want to put any chemicals on it. Now you're going to see that the sticker will lift. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the carrier tape off at a really low angle and then just press it down. There you go, look, see how that's lifting? It's not a problem, just take your time. As long as this is at a low angle, you won't stretch the sticker. So then we have our swamp digger design on the tyre. Again, I'm putting pressure on it just to make sure that all the edges are down nicely. Now the sticker needs to cure, so the adhesive needs to cure properly. If we took it out straight away like this, it would literally just come off. And all we need to do for that is a little bit of gentle heat from a hairdryer. So just on high setting, waft it over with your thumb in the way. So if your thumb is getting too hot or uncomfortable, it's too much heat. And then while the sticker is still warm, again, this time we're just going to gently pat it with our thumb. And that's job done. And there we have several designs in the range. Get stickering and happy lunchboxing everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.